Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, this is a hair review. Of course, this is my 9th time trying to record this video. But hey, we're still staying positive and we're going to jump right in. So let's get straight into it. This hair comes from a company by the name of Tinashe hair. I sound like a weather reporter. This hair comes from the company by the name of Tinashe hair. I have reviewed this company before, one time before. I will link that video down below. I did show you how to make a wig, I believe, in that video. So I will find that video and link it down below. So let's get into the specs of this hair, okay? So the hair that I have is the Brazilian curly. I have 3 bundles in a ear-to-ear frontal. The 3 bundles that I have are 124 inch and 2 26 inches with a 20-inch ear-to-ear frontal. Yes, so 3 bundles and a frontal. I'm telling you right now, this hair is super full. Like OMG, if you were getting this curly hair and you just want to get 2 bundles and a frontal, or 2 bundles in the frontal, I'm not gonna say closure, but if you want to get 2 bundles in the frontal, that would totally be enough hair, because I have 3 bundles and I did put all the bundles in except for probably like a piece about that big, and my hair is so freaking full, y'all. And I know a lot of you all like full hair and big hair, so this would be right up y'all's alley, okay? If this hair isn't manipulated though, it does grow and get like big and big, but you can have 2 different styles. I prefer like this wet look, like this wet beachy look, you know, but let's just say I want to wear it big and kind of lionish one day, then I can wear it like that too. So it gives you the versatility in those 2 ways, just in case you want to wear your hair big or you want to wear it like in this tame style, okay? I prefer a tame style. This is just me. So anyways, I do have a lot of product in this hair because I was trying to like tame it because the hair was really big. So I did put a lot of mousse in the hair. I will leave products down below of what I use, and I will also have clips of how the hair looked, you know, before I manipulated it. So when I first got this hair, the hair was like just super, like I said, I have clips of it. It was super, it had like that artificial curl. It was so tight. And I was just like, ooh, this hair is going to be a lot of maintenance. Like, I could already tell when I first seen it in the package, I was like, these curls are very, like, tight. Instead of being like Brazilian curly, maybe this section should be called like Brazilian kinky curly maybe, because the curls are so tight, like they're really tight, which it gives you a really nice look. It just requires a lot of manipulation. All curly hair does though. I'm not just saying this particular hair requires a lot of manipulation. That's just all curly hair. So of course, when you first get your curly hair, you are going to have to really detangle those curls. What I mean is, when I made my wig with the hair fresh out the pack. After I made my wig with the hair fresh out the pack, I did go and give this hair a good conditioner wash. Okay, you should be washing out your hair, but I gave it a good shampoo and conditioner wash. Okay, I let the conditioner sit in there for a while, and after that, I combed out those curls. When you first get the hair, the curls are gonna be very intertwined and defined. You are going to have to comb out those curls and get the actual look of the hair. With combing out the curls, you are going to get some snagging, some tangling, and some shedding, because you are detangling those curls. You are detangling the like just that artificial curl. Like I said, I'll show y'all kind of what I mean. If you've worked with curly hair before, you already know what I mean. It's not going to come out the bag just straight like this, okay? It's not going to come out the bag like this. You do have to manipulate it in order for it to be this way. However, I would not suggest this hair to someone who is maybe new to hair, like new to bundles. I would probably suggest an easier texture as far as like, you know, wavy or straight hair, because curly hair requires a lot of maintenance. I can't preach that enough. I say that in every curly hair video, okay? But I still have people that go out there who are inexperienced with curly hair, and they feel like, hey, I'm gonna go get it, and they expect their hair to come just like this without any manipulation, without any effort, without anything, and then when it's not how they want it, it's like, ah, this hair sucks, and they send all the good hair to the gurus, when it's like you actually have to go in and put in work, okay? A lot of extra work with curly hair. So if you feel like you're not going to be able to set aside like a hair regimen for this particular hair, and I say hair regimen as far as like products, you are going to have like specific products for this hair, as far as like mousse and gels and like some moisturizer and things like that. You're gonna have to have you a spray bottle for when you get up in the morning, so you can make it look like this, because you're not gonna go to sleep and wake up like this unless you're sleeping like this. I don't think too many people sleep like that, okay? So yeah, if you feel like you're not gonna put together like a regimen, and you're not gonna really take care of this hair and manipulate this hair on a daily basis, absolutely not for you. Do not get it. I understand that it's gorgeous, it's pretty, it's ooh la la, it's great. It really is pretty. It's pretty, it's full. Everyone loves this hair, but everyone don't know how to take care of this hair, okay? So I'm just letting you know now. It requires manipulation. It requires maintenance. Yes, it is pretty. Yes, I would recommend it to you only if you feel like you want to do that. Okay, that's it. Take it for what it is. All right. I do like the hair, but I am experienced with curly hair. I do. I have a doctorate in curly hair, because I know people like experience. Yeah, I have a doctorate in curly hair. Here it is right here. Not just kidding. But yeah, I'm just a little bit more experienced with curly hair. If you do want to see kind of like how to manipulate it, of course, I have added in some clips on how to manipulate it here, but you can also go to some of my other videos, and I do show you about curly hair, on how to take care of it and how to manipulate it. I get it all the time. Aaron, I like curly hair, but once I leave the house, it's all dry and it's puffy. You're not putting the right products in it, sis. Okay, you have to, with curly hair, like I said, you have to get your regimen down pat. Okay, you have to get you some stuff that really works for you and works for the curly hair. All right, and that's all I'm gonna say. I have lots of videos that show you how to manipulate curly hair and how to just get down off in it and just, you know, get it to how you like it. Okay, just get a nice regimen down. I will show you guys. I don't want this video to be too long, but you guys know I like to be informative. I don't just like to do the review and then I'm like, bye bye, okay, go buy the hair. No, I want to inform you on the hair, so it's no surprises. Once you get it, you already know what's up. You know, I like to give you low down dirty specs. So let's get into some of the things that I use to manipulate the hair. Same products, guys, no surprises here. Okay, same products in every curly hair video, but there are going to be some people that are watching my videos for the first time, and I'll get into it anyways. So let's get straight into it. This is some mousse that I use. Okay, this mousse is super cheap. It's $2 at Walmart. I will see $2 or $3. I will see if I can link this down below. But anyways, this is the mousse I use. Now it does have a number 4 on it because this is super strong mousse. Yeah, this mousse so strong. When you put it on your hair, it's gonna keep whatever shape or curl that you put on it. Okay, it's gonna keep it. That's all I'm gonna say. This is some really strong mousse. Now I do have a lighter mousse, which is like just a regular pink mousse, but right here is really good for keeping its shape and keeping a curl. Okay, because like I said, this hair is completely dry. So right here I use this. Y'all already know I use the infamous Eco Styler Gel. I use this in every tutorial. So this and this works freaking wonders. Okay, right here. And I also go in with my fave. I put this back on the market. Once I put this on the market, y'all, this stuff is like $20-some on Amazon, and I don't understand. But anyways, right here, y'all know I love this. So these 3 products are good. Like I said, we'll link them down below. So these 3. And y'all know I also use this right here, this puppy right here. I do have different ingredients in here, but you can just stick to water in here and go on with the rest of your products. And I also use this for the top of my hair and for that shine. Like I said, everything will be down below for you. So that was just a quick rundown of my regimen. If you would like to get my regimen and, you know, mimic my regimen or see what works for you. Or just get a general basic idea of kind of what I use to maintain my look and maintain that wet look throughout the whole day, because this is how the hair looks. This is all day wear. This is exactly how it looks. This is how it's gonna look all day. You're not gonna like walk outside and all of a sudden it's dry and then you just like, oh my goodness, like I have to put this in a ponytail or a bun because it looks a mess. So yeah, done with that. Like I said, this hair is from Tinashe Hair. I have the lengths 24, 226s, and a 20-inch ear-to-ear frontal. All right. I do like the hair, but would I give it like a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I am going to give it an in-between, and I'm just giving it in-between because the hair is really nice. The frontal is nice. I love the texture. I love the grade. But the thing about it is, it's not for everyone. Okay, that's the only reason why I'm giving it a in the middle, because it's only going to be for people who are going to take the time to manipulate it and who can manipulate hair like this. So yeah, take that for what it is, guys, but I definitely like the hair. Let me know if you've tried this company before, or do you have experience with curly hair, and do you guys understand what I'm saying when I say manipulate the hair? Because everybody doesn't understand what I'm talking about when I tell them to manipulate their hair, or when I tell them that it's gonna take time, it's not get up and go hair. So let me know down in the comments if everyone understands what I mean, and let me know if you enjoy me informing you all on the specs of the hair instead of just coming on videos like, hey, look at my hair, it's nice, I have da-da-da-da links, go buy it, okay, bye. Okay. I thought by informing you all would like these type of videos. Some people do, some people don't. So just let me know down in the comments. You know, I love to discuss with you all. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this loose because, dang, it's already long. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, I'll definitely see y'all in my next one. Bye.